Greetings, Seawolves. My name is Shekinah, and this is the event preview where we keep you up to date on all things Scholars Academy. Here is what is happening from September 29th to October 12th. On Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, seniors will be getting their senior portraits. Hispanic Heritage Month rehearsals are at 3:35 p.m. on both Monday and Tuesday. This Tuesday, there will also be 3 trips. AP Seminar will be going to New York Historical Society. Some students in 11th grade will also be visiting Marymount, Manhattan, and Columbia University. This Wednesday is School Custodian Appreciation Day, a day dedicated to our custodians for their hard work and dedication to keep our building clean. So be sure to thank the custodians for their hard work. On Thursday and Friday, October 3rd and 4th, school is closed in observation for Rosh Hashanah. If you celebrate, happy Rosh Hashanah to you. Moving on to the second week of October. On Monday, October 7th and Tuesday, October 8th, there will be Hispanic Heritage Month rehearsals after school from 3:35 to 4:35 p.m. Tuesday, October 8th, there will also be a parent association meeting from 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. Wednesday, October 9th, select 11th grade students will be having a day trip to Pace University. Wednesday, there will also be a virtual senior college night from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Thursday, October 10th, other 11th grade students will have a day trip to either Wagner or Queens College. This Thursday will also hold High School Spirit Week rehearsals from 3:35 to 4:35 p.m. Friday, October 11th, the 11th grade will have PSAT exams, while the 12th graders will have a trip to the movie theater. This Friday is also the first Student Government Dress Down Day. Students who volunteer to participate in Student Government Dress Down donation days are asked to make a $1 donation to adhere to all dress down rules. Their donations are used to fund various student activities and events throughout the school year. Thank you for your continued support in allowing us to maintain our student government dress down days while maintaining a positive and respectful school tone and culture. And that's it for the event preview for this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at The Scholars NYC. I'm Shekinah, and I'll see you next time.